Hey, you a fireman? If you know any firemen, send them pictures like this. The law says you must inspect and certify this fire escape every 5 years. This fire escape has not been painted or certified in at least 25 to 50 years. And you know who this fire escape is going to hurt? It's always going to hurt the tenants and the firemen saving those tenants, because this tread is ready to go. And you can't have such things. You can't have such things on any fire escape when the law says every 5 years you must inspect it and you must paint it. So if you are ignoring this, you're part of the problem. So what can you do? If you see things like this on your fire escape, take a picture, send it to the landlord and send it to the management company and tell them every 5 years you're supposed to fix this. If they ignore you, send it to the fire department. They'll come and help you, believe me. And they'll also send it to the building department. They know what to do with a landlord or a management company that's not doing their job. Fire escape guy, saving lives one fire escape at a time.